Wollongong and Manly United went head-to-head at Wynn Stadium on a sunny Sunday afternoon. And the visitors had the first chance on 16 minutes. Nikola Taneski cutting inside, sending his shot just over the bar. The Wolves thought they'd hit the lead on 26 minutes. Takuya Nazawa's free kick was tucked in by James Baldacchino, but the goal was ruled out for offside. Manly went close to finding the opener on 46 minutes, Marley Peterson forcing a strong save from Justin Passfield. Peterson then had another chance on 54 minutes, Passfield saving well again, but Brendan Chalakian unable to convert the rebound. And Passfield was at his best once more on 58 minutes, this time denying Chalakian with a brilliant save. And again the Wolves keeper denied Manly, this time Travis Ortred seeing his chance tipped over. But finally on 72 minutes, their luck changed and the game had its opening goal, Sasa Matsura firing home from outside the area, a fine strike to make it 1-0. The Wolves were almost level 6 minutes from time when Takuya Nazawa's free kick went close, but Kieran Paul cleared off the line. Chris Price then had a chance on 89 minutes to rescue the Wolves, but his shot was tipped wide. But it was Yuzo Toshiro who would be the hero for Wollongong, the Japanese striker scoring his second successive goal, heading home to make it 1-1. And amazingly, the Wolves could have snatched all 3 points in stoppage time, Price heading just wide. So a crazy 90 minutes on the South Coast. Both sides take a point home. 1-1 at finish.